Hello friends, I am Swati. Today I am going to discuss how we can find out the mean by assumed mean method. Already we have the direct method. The direct method can be used when you have the values of fi and xi are the smaller values. But assumed mean method is used when you have the values of fi as well as xi have the larger values. So we can find out the value of xi from here, that is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 50 divided by 2 I will get here as 25. Similarly 50 plus 100 is 150 divided by 2 is 75. Then similarly you can find it for every class interval the value of class mark. Now the formula for finding the mean by assumed mean method, that is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi di upon summation of fi. So where a is, we call it as assumed mean. We'll consider the assumed mean first. Then fi di, first we will find out the value of di, and di can be found out by xi minus a, and summation of fi is the sum of all the frequencies. So first we will find out the sum of the all frequencies. When you will add them all the frequencies, you will get here the value as 180. Now what I will do is I will assume some mean from the column of xi. So how we can consider it as, we'll find out the middlemost values here. Here we have 6 values. So the middlemost values are these 2 values. So what I will do here is, I can consider either 125 as a, or I will consider 175 as a. So it is up to you, whatever you want to consider it as a, either 125 or 175. So let me assume a as 125. So what I will do, I will find out the value of di as xi minus a. So xi is 25 minus 125. So I will get here as minus 100. Similarly, 75 minus 125, I will get here as minus 50. Then 125 minus 125 is 0. Then 175 minus 125, I will get here 50, and then 100, and then 150. Now what I will do is, I will find out the value of fi di from here. So fi di, I will multiply this frequency with this di. So 17 into 100 is 1700. I have a sign of minus here, so minus 1700. 35 into minus 150, I will get 1750. Now 43 into 0, the value will be 0. So 40 into 50 is 2000. Then 21 into 100 is 2100. Then 24 into 150, I will get here as 3600. Now what I need to find out summation of fi di. When I will add them all, I will get the value as 4250. Now what I have to do is, I have to substitute all the values in finding the formula for mean. So x bar is equal to, what I have considered a as, that is 125, plus summation of fi di, that is 4250, divided by sum of all the frequencies, that is 180. So if I'll simplify, the 0 will be cancelled out. So x bar is equal to 125 plus, so 425 when divided by 18, I will get 23.61. So what I will do, I will add them. X bar is equals to, this will be 148.61. This is how we can find out the mean by assumed mean method. So first you have to add all the frequencies. Find out the corresponding class mark for each class interval. Then find out the value of di as xi minus a for all the class intervals. Then multiply this frequency with this di. So you have to multiply them and then you have to find out the sum for all of them, summation of fi di. And then you have to substitute all the values in the formula. A, which you have considered, summation of fi di plus summation of fi, and then you have to simplify all of these values and you have to get the answer. Thank you.